Hosemaster, the most innovative, modern, fully automatic hose care unit. Hosemaster includes cleaning, testing, drying, and coiling of hoses all in one process, including testing that meets and exceeds NFPA 1962. The machine can be designed to suit all different types of fire hose couplings. By connecting the coupling to the transport arm, hose and couplings are washed with rotating brushes and high-pressure water. Hosemaster is equipped with an easy-to-use control panel. A second panel is provided to perform NFPA 1962 hose testing. Operator can select hose diameter, pressure level, ways to wash and coil, and turn on enough functions such as pressurization and leak detection. Hoses can be washed with adjustable high pressure, without pressure, or dry wash by just passing through the rotating brushes. Hosemaster pressure tests the front coupling. The machine uses the patented test pressurization technique, which significantly reduces water consumption. Take a 25-meter, 3-inch hose as an example. Conventional way of testing usually uses 117 liters of water. Hosemaster instead uses only 4 liters for pressure testing. Hosemaster 2020 model can wash and test hoses up to 4 inches at standard pressure 8 to 16 bar, then with customization up to 30 bar, depending on the sizes of hoses. After the front coupling is pressure tested and reaches the air drying and coiling side of the machine, drying and coiling process will happen simultaneously. The pressure empties the water from within, and the two-angle well-adjusted air knives remove water from the hose exterior. When the function of leak detection is turned on, Hosemaster detects leaking and marks the place of the hole automatically. By connecting the end coupling to the transport arm, the machine washes and tests also the end coupling. Hosemaster is highly efficient. The machine can handle up to 20 hoses per hour. It improves work safety by having the whole process performed in a closed space to minimize operators' exposure to harmful substances. The machine's ergonomics are developed for the best possible handling and function. Hosemaster is an indispensable solution to a modern, clean fire station.